This is the process we use at United Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. First, increase the humidity setting until the water flows. We want to ensure that the controls are working and that the water flow is not blocked. The used water pad will have water deposits that reduce its effectiveness. We clean all surfaces of the frame and top distribution tray. Some heavy scale deposits may need to be scraped off. The new pad is coated for better water distribution. The colored paint spot is on the top of the pad. We clean the humidifier with a mild cleaner and wipe it dry. The entire length of the water supply tube is checked for leaks. Then a cleaning solution is forced through the drain to remove debris. Now that we're finished, we set the humidistat at the normal or 35% setting and make sure that the damper knob is in the open or winter position. If your humidifier is not operating properly, or if you don't feel comfortable servicing it, please call United and we will be happy to take care of all of your heating, cooling, and plumbing needs.